from my scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Spiegel Mom Scraps where I am going to be using this June collection called Country Garden, and I am pairing it with the Scrap Room April 2024 Photo Crop Till You Drop collection. So this color matches pretty well with that. The only color that really doesn't match in there is the purple, but I am definitely going to be making that work because I really love the color tones. And then I've got the ephemera pack to it, and then the collection. So this is my photo. This is me working on my business, like my scrappy business, while I'm sitting outside when it's not as like ungodly hot. So that's what this photo is. And then I am following day number 11's sketch from Christi's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. I'm only going to do one photo, so you're going to see me kind of put this together, and I'm going to follow it as close as I would like, but not too close. So let's kind of see what I can do. All right, so we are going to get started. Up there in the right-hand corner, I did place the sketch in there just so that we have it and ready to go. So that is part of the 30 Days of Sketches. It's day number 11. It's today's date. And I absolutely love how this looks. So I decided that I saw that she had some ripples in there to act like there should be a couple other pages. And so that is what I am doing with that particular page. Is I am taking my Creative Memories paper and doing the little squigglies and then having that on there so that it's, you know, kind of got that squiggly line and you see the two papers. So I do put this together, and what I decide to do is that I'm getting the mustard seed out, and I wanted to just add a little bit of, you can see it, but you can't see it. I wanted a little bit of tone on toneness in that regards. And I just wanted it to be on there just to have a little bit of an anchor. I saw that they have 3 photos. I'm only using one because the particular photo that I wanted to use and get rid of and use, I don't want to say get rid of, but use the collection that I had. I only had one photo that dealt with like my business or like crafty type stuff. And so that's why I decided to kind of build and make it all diagonal with just one photo instead of 3, I guess, in that regards. So inside of this, it has a couple of different little pieces, and I was like, man, I really wanted to kind of like dig these out, and these are a little bit one is bigger than the other, but I like the frames. I like how that is. I do like what it says with the warning down there, the tag, the shopping tag, the photo, like I was saying in the like the beginning portion of this was during the summer where I was sitting outside to do like my business. I was making up my second sketchbook. And yeah, was it my second one? Yeah, it was my second sketchbook. And then just getting ready for the crops and stuff. And I always typically have my water, it's my water bottle, my coffee cup. There's a pink little, I've got a Bluetooth speaker that I'll play my music from Spotify on, and then my laptop. And I'll sit out there, like as long as the sun doesn't get me as, or it's not really hot, I can sit out there from like 8 o'clock in the morning until about 12:30 before the sun like hits where no matter how I do it, the sun hits it, and then it's done. It's all she wrote in that regards. And then I got to wait till evening time to go sit back out there. If it's cold enough, you know, if it's cool enough during the summertime. I'll sit out there during the fall and the winter as long as the, I'll do my like heated blanket and stuff. So I'll sit out there too. It just all depends on what's going on and whatnot. But this one was during the summer, and I was like, ooh, I can finally use up the crafting stuff from the scrap room and all of that. So while this is going on, make sure that you go check out everything over at Spiegel Mom Scraps, remember to use Miranda 15. That will be down in the description. Obviously, get your June collection. I love June's collection. It's super amazing. I love it. Make sure you go get that one. If you want anything else, just make sure that you use Miranda 15 to get 15% off of your order. And then also remember that the month of June, you also can use the sketchbook, and that will be all linked down below. Slide that into your cart off of my website, and you automatically get 20% off. I have a similar sketch like this in in my sketchbook number 1, but I'll link it down below. But I'll also make sure that I'm giving all of the props to Christi from Christi's Beautiful Life, because I am using her sketchbook as well, or her sketches as well, that are made from other individuals. So here I am. I'm just placing my stuff on there. Sorry that I'm out of frame there for a little bit. Typically I'm not out of frame, but I'm pretty good about making sure. So here I am. I'm putting down some of these tags that they have. I figured like Crop Night would work for a title. Crafts is a good title on this one. And then I do put the word create down on the bottom, which is the bigger title of it all, because at the end of the day, I'm creating something. We're always creating something in that regards. So, yeah, let's see here. Make sure that you check out everything down below in the description. All of the links and all of that will be there, along with all of my items and, of course, Spiegel Mom Scraps. Make sure that you do all of the YouTube-y stuff. If you are coming from Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I'm so glad to have you on my channel. If you are coming from my channel over to Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I do normally, on my personal channel, upload between 2 to 3 times a week, design teams, collaborations, all of the fun stuff. And then over here, if you are on Spiegel Mom Scraps, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, because us as design teams will make sure that we are posting all of the good stuff for you, and you don't want to miss anything. Hit that notification button as well. And then that is, I think, pretty much, no, oops, I am putting a few things up top, and then I think then we're coming in with the splattering that I love to do on with the sequence. I love to just put it in a bowl, and just wherever they land is where I am going to place them down. So I just love to do this. I just love to just hold up a little bit of it and then let it drop, and then that is where I am going to place them. I do my lovely, where I used to do like the black 3 little dots when I am using sequence, I like to do 3 drops of the sequence in places instead of the 3 black dots. So here I am. I'm just placing them all done. This is a jewel picker. It's from Amazon. I get questions all the time of where I get this from. It's literally in Amazon. My paint pens is another thing that I get questions on all the time. All of that stuff is linked down below permanently in my descriptions, because I do get questions about where I get my paint pen, which is going to be in here. It's my black one. I get the black and white Liquitex. There is another brand that I get too if the Liquitex is sold out and I need some. And here is where I am doing the 3 little dots that I love to do. Instead of them being black dots, I'm using the sequence, and I just love how that looks. Yeah, so I am just kind of just putting whatever ones I wanted in those places of the 3 little dots, just to add a little bit of something to these pages outside of the splattering that I did on the yellow. I just love how this looks. I am going to leave you with some music here. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.